Fe nhw yw Jane Griffiths, dwi'n staff nurse yn yr uned achosion brys. People think if you come to a rural area that you'd actually be going back in your career and there's no career progression. But actually, because we cover such a wide area, the training and things we get here is fantastic. There's plenty of opportunities to progress in your career. The team I work with are really supportive. They've encouraged me over the years. We've got a state-of-the-art new department, and you're not just a number, especially in the emergency department. We all know each other. You know the ins and outs of everyone, really. We've got the sea on our doorstep, the mountains. Dwi'n byw ar ffarm, so dwi'n mwynhau bod tu allan yn helpu dad gyda'r anifeiliaid pan dwi ddim yn gweithio. I mean, it's quite a difficult time to go into nursing with all the pressures that we are under. But for me, I'm glad I came home because within just over 4 years I've gone from a student nurse to a band 6. And again, that's with all the training that has been provided. I think it's a really good career. Os fyswn i'n gadael ysgol wan ac yn meddwl fi'n neud fy nyrsio, swn i'n meddwl os dwi'n licio gweithio mewn tîm, does ddim un diwrnod dwi'n un beth ar llall, a swn i'n deud go for it.